This video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of an update kit where we take a Mars Series 2000 and replace it in the place of an Ardac USA validator. Just to kind of help you order the correct kit. With the USA validator, they had two different interfaces. So this particular kit would be for a soda vending machine, and before you order it, what you want to look for is on your coin changer. It's going to have essentially a 6-position plug arranged 2 by 3, and there'll be 2 wires in it. So a lot of the old coin changers had this interface. The other item that's important is there's what I call this little T adapter right here. So this is from your coin changer, and then your T adapter essentially goes to this plug right here. So what we're doing with this kit is you will leave this in the machine. When you purchase this validator, it comes with a custom-made harness, so it's going to connect directly to this plug. And then basically, if you're new to vending, there'll be 4 11/32 nuts. So if you have a deep socket drive or just a wrench, you want to undo all 4 of these 11/32 nuts. This new Mars validator, or this Mars validator you're getting from us, will just go into the exact same bolt pattern. So your typical on-time installation would be 2 to 3 minutes.